Guys, look, this is how I make my leftover chicken, the chicken breast. I cheddar them, and then I put mayonnaise, capers, and then I put also this red onions. It will make it more delicious. I put some black peppers, a little bit of salt. Guys, this is my secret ingredients. Ta-da! Grapes. It's not secret anymore. Now let's mix it together and see how it tastes. It needs a little bit of mayonnaise. It's yummy, yummy. Now let's put it in our croissant. Right here. Be generous. Put as much as you can because it's delicious. You can try it at your home. Bye guys!